Alright, this is how to take apart this gateway all in one unit. Flip it down on its face, lock the bar down, take a flat blade, small flat blade screwdriver, and pry from the bottom up like this. Do the same thing to the other side. And take a Phillips screwdriver and take the screws out. On both sides. This whole bar will lift up and out of the way. Next step, unplug the HDMI cable from the motherboard. And you're going to start from the top right corner instead of this corner because of these ports. And we're just going to pry it off basically. If you lay it down, actually.